Hello, everyone, and welcome to Global English Talk. My name is Emma.
And I'm Alex. Hi, everyone. Today, we will talk about how to learn English in a simple and fun way.
Yes, learning English can sometimes feel difficult, but we are here to give you some easy tips that really work.
And we will also answer some common questions from learners at the end of the episode. So, stay with us.
Let's start with the first tip. Alex, what is the most important thing when learning English?
I think the most important thing is consistency. You don't need to study for hours every day. Even 10 or 15 minutes a day is better than one long session once a week.
Exactly. Learning a little every day is much more effective than learning a lot once in a while.
Another important tip is practice speaking. Many learners focus only on reading or listening, but speaking is very important. Don't be afraid to make mistakes.
Yes, mistakes are part of learning. If you are afraid to speak, you will never improve. Try speaking to a friend, a teacher, or even yourself in front of a mirror.
And don't worry if your accent is not perfect. Clear communication is more important than perfect pronunciation at first.
Another tip is listen to English every day. You can listen to podcasts, songs, news, or watch shows in English.
Even if you don't understand every word, your brain is learning the rhythm, vocabulary, and pronunciation.
Yes, listening is very important. You will start understanding more and more over time.
Tip number 4 is read simple English books or articles. Don't start with very difficult books. Choose simple stories or short news articles.
Reading helps you learn new words and how sentences are formed. Try to underline new words and repeat them later.
Tip number 5. Write a little every day. It can be a diary, a social media post, or even short sentences about your day.
Writing helps you remember words and grammar. You can also check your writing with online tools or ask a friend to help.
Tip number 6. Learn phrases, not only single words.
Yes. For example, instead of learning just the word eat, learn a phrase like, I like to eat pizza, or I usually eat breakfast at 7 a.m.
Learning phrases helps you speak more naturally and remember the words better.
Tip number 7 is practice listening and speaking together. For example, listen to a short podcast or video, then repeat what you heard. This is called shadowing.
Shadowing is very effective. You can copy the pronunciation, rhythm, and intonation of native speakers.
Tip number 8. Use English in your daily life. You can label objects in your home, think in English, or try speaking in English during simple activities.
Yes, the more you use English in real life, the faster you improve.
Tip number 9. Don't focus too much on grammar at first. Grammar is important, but fluency comes from speaking and listening.
Exactly. You will naturally learn grammar over time if you speak and listen a lot.
Tip number 10. Have fun while learning English. Choose topics you like: music, sports, movies, or games.
Yes. If learning is fun, you will do it more often and remember more.
Now, let's answer some common questions from our listeners.
The first question is, how can I remember new words?
A good method is to use them in sentences. Don't just memorize the word. Write or say a sentence with it.
Also, review the words regularly. Repetition is the key.
Second question. How can I improve my listening skills?
Listen every day, even for a few minutes. Don't worry if you don't understand everything.
Try to listen to something easy first, then gradually increase the difficulty. And don't forget to repeat and practice shadowing.
Third question. How can I practice speaking if I don't have a partner?
You can speak to yourself in front of a mirror, record your voice, or use language apps that allow conversation with AI or other learners.
Even reading aloud from a book or article is a great way to practice speaking.
That's all for today's episode. Thank you for listening to Global English Talk.
We hope you enjoyed our tips and learned something new.
If you liked this episode, don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned for more episodes.
See you next time, and keep practicing English every day.
Goodbye, everyone.